Welcome to the INFR AI video tutorial series. Let's jump into the first essential step. Welcome to the INFR Desktop Model Navigation Guide. We will show you the multiple ways you can use your keyboard and mouse setup to move around your BIM model. Let's start off by looking around from a static position. To do this, hold your right mouse button and move your mouse to the direction you would like to look at. Next, we will teleport instantly to an object in the distance. Do this by using your right mouse button to double-click on a BIM object. Now that you have teleported in front of the object, hold down your right mouse button again and move it to look behind you. Next, let us reposition ourselves for the next segment on navigation. Navigation in the desktop viewer is similar to that of the web interface, whereby WASD denotes the directional keys. Try it out. These directions are relative to the face of the viewer and should be used in conjunction. So for example, if the face is looking up and the W is pressed, the user will fly up off the ground. Do note that the directional keys can also be used simultaneously. So pressing forward W and right D at the same time will allow the user to move diagonally to the front. To cover larger distances in a particular direction, the user may also hold down the Shift key while using the directional keys. This will accelerate the user in the direction. With these movements, you will be able to make real-time fly-throughs of the model in a dynamic manner, which will elevate your coordination and design review. Lastly, the Q and E keys control your elevation. This will allow the user to go up and down and is particularly useful when observing a cross-section of a model or to inspect void levels of a building. Next, we will look at the 3D avatar mode, so that users will be able to be walking on the floor and have a sense of scale when navigating the BIM model. Activate your 3D avatar by toggling spacebar on your keyboard. Similar to the fly-through navigation, both the WASD and right button mouse hold works in a similar fashion for the avatar. This also applies to the shift acceleration. However, QE does not function as the avatar is supposedly stuck to the floor due to gravity. One of the controls that is applicable in avatar mode would be the third and first person zoom. To activate this, scroll your mouse wheel. Do note that the avatar sticks to the ground, making it able to illustrate the usage of stairs or ramps. Finally, all tools and interfaces will be usable in both avatar or fly mode. Let us show you a quick example of this. With that, you should be able to smoothly navigate your designs in real time. Enjoy!